Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to melt white chocolate. The first method is going to be using the microwave. I've broken my chocolate into pieces and put them in a microwave safe dish. And I'm going to put this ball in the microwave for 20 seconds and remove it. You can see nothing much has happened to the chocolate. So I'm going to put it back in there for 20 more seconds and take it out again. You can see now that the chocolate is beginning to melt, but it's not done yet. So put it back in the microwave for 20 more seconds and then take it out. A lot more chocolate is melted now, but it's not ready. But I'm not putting it back in the microwave. I'm going to use the heat from the bowl to melt the rest of the chocolate. So just keep on stirring until your chocolate is completely melted like this. The second method is using a double boiler. So you get a little pot and a bowl. You break your chocolate into a bowl and then put it on top of the pot. You have to make sure that it does not touch the water. And then start stirring your chocolate until it's completely melted and smooth like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.